Hey everyone, and welcome to Just Being C'Aira. Here today on my channel, I have a sponsorship that I want to share with you guys because the holidays are coming up, and I think that these would be a really great pair of glasses that you guys can share with people. Of course, order for others. I know for myself that I would love for someone to order me some glasses because I love the cute frames and stuff like that. So here in today's video, I'm opening up a package from Firmoo, and with the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales coming up with them, I wanted to do this video so that you guys could clearly see some cute frames. So I have two pairs in this bag here, and they come in this bag like this. They come in a box. It just simply says Firmoo, and on the front of it, it says you define your look. Inside of the first one, you pop the top open just like this. So the good thing is each pair of glasses come with a nice case. Also included on the inside are cards that simply just say see the world in a better sight, and it gives you all of their websites that you guys can reach them, and then of course how to maintain eye health, how to keep them clean and give them care, and then how to adapt to the new eyewear. So they have that. They also each come with a card where you get 50% off frames, and then of course where you share your glasses with social media and you can receive up to a $10 voucher or a $3 reward. It also comes with a card where you all, it kind of is like a gift card. So it's a Firmoo gift card, best for best friends, and your first order discount is 50% off if you use that code. But with the Black Friday and the Cyber Monday sales coming up, there's going to be plenty of discounts. So inside of here, not only did it come with those cards, you have a bag, and inside of the bag is the pair of glasses that you pick out, or whoever picks out for you. So the first pair that I have are these. These come in the color of clear, multicolor. They have bows on each side. And then of course, these are called Bow 172. So mark that down if you're deciding to order these for someone. I like how there's different colors to it. It looks like it's blue, pink, and yellow. And like I said before, the bows on it just add extra cuteness to it. So I'm just going to show you guys what they look like. So they look really cute. They're very easy to put on. I love the fact that it comes in the bag, and I can easily put these back in the bag and just drawstring it and put it down in my purse. So these are a medium-sized frame. They are free scratch-resistant lens that it's coated in, and they also offer a 365-day warranty as well as a 60-day return. So these are really great material glasses. I think that they are very stylish, and I wanted to share with you guys the other pair. The other pair that I have that I want to share with you guys is in this one here. So this one did not come with the cards because it was already in the first one. Now, these ones right here are a unisex full frame, and this one is called SE563X. And these are in the shape of black and gold, and these ones are actually a large. So these ones here come in the size medium, and these are in a size large. So they're a little bigger, which is great because it gives room for a variety. And then the thing that I love is like the way that the frames are. It looks black, it looks clear. The sides are thin, and I could easily, you know, like I said, put these in my bag and change them out whenever I want to. So the good thing about these glasses is that they're stylish, they're affordable, they are cheap, and they come in your prescription. Hey, if you don't need a prescription, why not? Firmoo has a bunch of different glasses and sunglasses that you guys can order, not only for women but for men as well. And then of course they also have some kids. So one thing I wanted to point out about Firmoo is that these are some really great stylish glasses. I really think that they are amazing. You can tell that they're not by, you know, like certain companies because they don't put their company on the inside. So it does have on the inside of these what style these are. And then you also, like I said, can, you know, trade these back in. You have up to 60 days and you guys can have a 365-day warranty. So another pair that I had gotten before I wanted to share with you guys is the other pair that I have here. So I did get another pair for both of my channels. And this one is the Shirley 20209. These are freaking adorable. And they're really cute. I love the colors. And they're easy to take off. And then, of course, with the eyeglass cloth, you can never go wrong with having these too clear. And then another pair that I had got from Firmoo as well. These ones are the YD1279. These are in the color red and clear. I just like the colors, how they shift from red to clear. And then of course, like how you have the fluorescent here. But as well as the two new ones where I have just simply black. And then I also have the multicolor with the bows on top. As I'm putting these away, I realized that not only is this a pouch, but it's also a cleaning cloth that you guys can use to clean the glasses. And then, like I said before, there's the drawstring where you guys can drawstring it and put it into a bag and use it as a cleaning cloth. Make sure that you guys use the code DTOG50 in order to get the certain percentage off of your frame. So up to 50% off using that code and using the link.